Hi, my name is Robert Rich, and I'm a project assistant with the William Blake Archive at the University of Rochester. Today, I'd like to walk you through the archive's Copy Information tab and show you what it contains. William Blake created more than one copy of many of his works, especially his illuminated books, and in many cases more than one copy of a given work is still extant. Even though they are referred to as copies, it should be noted that the different versions of the same work are not identical. For example, different copies of a given work may feature a different ordering of objects or different color schemes. As you can see, in the case of the Book of Thel, there are 16 different copies you can access through the archive, and no two copies are the same. If you want to view the information for a specific copy of a work in the Blake Archive, first click on the copy that you want to look at. Make sure that you are in gallery mode as opposed to reading mode, and click on Copy Information. The Copy Information tab is divided into several subheadings. Under the Information heading on the left, you have basic information like the original place and date of composition, the title, the names of the authors, publishers, and anyone involved in the production of the work in any way. The information section also contains details about the physical object, like the type of binding, the size and number of leaves, the watermark, and the number of stab holes. Under provenance, you have information about the history of this particular copy, how it got where it is now, who bought and sold it along the way, where it was sold, and for what price. The present location section contains information about what institution currently holds the physical object, where that institution keeps it, and any kind of identification numbers that institution uses to identify it. Clicking on Contributing Collections takes you to the Contributing Collections page of the archive, where all these institutions are listed in alphabetical order, with their locations, contact information, and links to their websites. The Copy Information tab is also a good place to find information about works in the archive that have more unconventional provenances. For example, under the Copy Information tab for the prospectus of 1793, you can read about how there is no extant copy of Blake's prospectus, and how we only know about it because of its typographic reproduction in Alexander Gilchrist's The Life of William Blake. The images of the prospectus in the archive are from a copy of Gilchrist's book in the Davis Library at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. I hope that quick tutorial was helpful. We'll be back again with more tutorial videos on all the features of the Blake Archive. Please check our blog and Twitter for more info and for publication announcements.